Welcome. Today we're diving into a new Instagram update that lets you easily check the number of likes on carousel posts while using your PC. If you've ever wondered how to find this information, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open Instagram on your computer. You can do this by navigating to the Instagram website and logging into your account. Make sure you're using a browser that supports all of Instagram's features for the best experience. Next, find the carousel you want to check. Carousels are those posts that contain multiple images or videos, allowing users to swipe through them. Scroll through your feed or visit a specific profile to locate the carousel post you're interested in. Once you've found it, look underneath the carousel. Here, you will see various engagement metrics including comments and likes. The likes count is displayed prominently, making it easy to see how well the post is performing. This feature is particularly useful for content creators and marketers who want to gauge audience engagement without needing to switch devices. This new update simplifies the process of tracking likes on carousel posts directly from your PC, enhancing user experience and engagement analysis. With just a few clicks, you can stay updated on how your favorite posts are resonating with followers. In summary, checking likes on an Instagram carousel post from your PC is straightforward. Open Instagram, find the desired carousel, and check the likes count right below it. This update makes it easier than ever to engage with content and understand what resonates with your audience. That's all for today. Enjoy exploring Instagram's features and happy scrolling.